ito, question ko. Nung naging tayo, syempre, hindi pa nagreklamo yung mga anak mo na, Dad, your attention will be divided into Tita Ay ko, gano'n. You unfollowed me also. Diba?
Yeah, oo. Dahil sabi mo kasi, di ba, pag nahuli mo yung ano,
Oo.
pag nahuli mo ng babae, wala na, wala na. Masyado ako ma-pride, selfish, makasarili, kung ano yung gusto ko, yun dapat.
Oo.
Di ba? I was
Careless.
I was a daredevil. Wala akong pakialam noon.
Hey,
Karera ako ng karera,
Yeah.
jet ski,
Oo.
karting, lahat, motor, tapos diving,
Oo.
di ba? Yung mga
Technical
talagang,
diving.
yung mga talagang nakakatakot yung mga ginagawa.
Yeah, hi guys, I'm doing different YT upload today. I'm doing a day in the life of Aiko and Wanig. How are you guys? So my guest for today is my honey. We are in Sikihor. So naisipan ko na for a change, mag-a-day in the life ako. So guys, tutok na. As we take it to Sikihor with my honey. First agenda of the day, syempre mag-brush mo ng teeth. Tapos, syempre, mag-brush din yung teeth si honey. So today, magtutour kami. And then, ang pinaka-importante yung gagawin ko, syempre yung skincare. Kasi skincare is life. So, syempre wash ng face. And then, after ko mag-wash ng face, maglalagay ako ng moisturizer. Tsaka syempre ng lip balm because lip balm is life. But the most important skincare na magagamit nyo, I'm already 50. I'm not saying that I have a good skin, pero the most important skincare is your sunblock. Although ang dami ko ng freckles talaga, pero it is what it is. So, hintayin lang natin ito mag-toothbrush kasi nag-toothbrush to 10 oras. Hindi ko alam kung ano na meron sa ipin niya. Ang tagal. So after nun, after skincare routine ko, and then lip balm, mag-shower na kami ng katawan kasi mamaya mag-swimming kami. So pag swim namin, syempre kailangan naka-sunblock is life. So guys, may tutorial po tayo kasi yung isa dito hindi na si skincare. Tinuturuan ko siya mga skincare. Sabi ko, moisturize siya dapat kasi siyempre, yung age namin, ang dami ng fine lines. So, kailangan mag-skincare. Hindi siya marunong. Sabi ko sa kanya, maglagay siya ng sunblock. Although, he has good skin. You have a great skin, man. For your age, like you're 100 years old. Mukha kang 98 lang. So, yeah. I know you've always had a good skin, right?
Yeah.
But, it's always okay na maging mas maganda ang skin mo ngayon.
Trivia.
Oh, yan. Gusto ko yan.
Hindi ako nagme-makeup ng artista pa ako.
Oo, kaya niya na-preserve yung skin niya. Maganda yung skin niya, tingnan mo.
I know that.
Oo, wala. Tapos yung ginagamit niya is tissue paper.
Toilet paper.
Which I told him wag kasi pag tissue paper ang gamit niyo, yung syempre pang puwet yun. Iba naman yung skin ng puwet mo, texture ng skin mo sa puwet, sa face mo. Sa face natin kasi it's very thin. So, delicate siya. So, you have to really take care of your skin. So, moisturizer, soon.
Ibig sabihin yan?
Abangan mo. Hindi ka vain.
Hindi, ibig sabihin, ganun kaganda yung part ko.
Para i-compare mo yung puwet mo sa mukha mo. Nakakaawa ka naman. So, after nun, ilalagay na, mag-ano ka, lip balm ka.
Oo.
So, yan guys. Yan yung skincare namin.
So, ako ulit ang bagong guest
Yeah.
ni Honey sa kanyang YouTube channel. Honey, thank you for guesting my guest.
Oh, thank you so
Ito
much.
yung pang-apat.
Mm-hmm.
Diba?
Yeah.
Pero grabe, ako na yung guest niya na nasa banyo kami.
Yeah. Conjugal vlog. Diba? So, good morning guys! Loves, kisses, hugs from Siki Horse, down to our last day.
Yes, our last day. Then tomorrow, we'll be boarding the plane. But before that, sasakay muna kami ng boat.
Yeah,
Yes.
going to Dumaguete.
Dumaguete.
And then i-vlog mo 1 week sa kanyang vlog.
And
Because,
guys, good news.
ano,
Nahanap na yung
I know! God is
Thanks
good.
to Honey.
Yeah, alam mo.
Kagaling na talaga si Tok Tok.
Si Kuya Raymond, super thank you. He's been so honest to us. You know, people here are very honest and secure, and we appreciate the love and the honesty. And ang Diyos na lang magbabalik ng maraming biyaya sa iyo for being so honest. Kasi nalungkot na si Honey there. Regalo ko yung camera na yun sa kanya. Tapos, andun, ako mas nalungkot ako doon sa laman. Kasi pinaghirapan ni Honey talaga lahat ng shoot niya. Alam mo naman si Honey nag-shoot kapag meron kaming vlog. Kasi mas artistic yung mga shots niya.
Baka naman.
Yeah, mas stable yung hand niya. Ako pang ganito-ganito lang tayo. Ako pang talk show. Because I talk too much. Anyways, guys.
Ano kaya? Parang ito natin magandang venue na interview.
Oh, banyo. Oo.
Ah.
Ito yung banyo namin dito sa Salamanca Resort.
Yes.
Yeah. So, we'll show you kung anong usually ginagawa namin day in the life of One Make and
Hi, ko.
We Are the One Crew.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel for another exciting. I hope this is exciting for you as much as we are excited for this content. We thought of having this one-on-one interview again here in Sikihor. Parang naisip ko, parang when I woke up right now, I want to do a day in the life of the one host. What do we usually do? What do we usually talk about? What do we usually eat? Kanina pinakita natin sa Manila, ang unang-unang ginagawa natin is to brush our teeth.
Brush your teeth and
Say our prayer.
say our prayers. Tapos maglagay na sunblock.
Oo.
Ano man, kaya na ako natutumagan niya.
Alam niyo guys, sa mga viewers namin ni Wango, very important talaga, lalo na when you're at the age na our age na talagang to protect your skin. Kasi ang sunblock will be your barrier from the sun, and then it's always good to put moisturizer.
Yes.
So now that we are in Sikihor and showing them, actually mapapanood nyo yung full beauty na Sikihor sa vlog ni Honey, ang Honey
Yes.
Conduct vlog. Sana panoorin nyo naman, supportahan, and give him what we have been praying for, the 100,000 subscribers. Kasi pag nakuha ni Honey yun, may silver plate na siya.
Yes, sana naman po, pagbigyan na naman po ako doon para makatikim na ako ng silver plate. So please, like and subscribe to sa channel ko.
Yeah.
Ano?
So
ano ang
ngayon,
matitindi mong tatanungin ngayon?
no, actually, it's more of I want my viewers and our viewers
Yeah.
perspective to gusto ko na mag-share kung ano yung mga secrets natin, kung
Okay.
bakit saya pa rin tayo hanggang ngayon. Although syempre for others our relationship is still a baby, but if we compute everything, it's not only hindi na siya baby.
Wala, hindi na.
Kasi parang ang tagal na ng journey namin pare.
Yeah, sobrang tagal mo.
Oo.
Yun, marami na kami natutunan sa buhay. Kumbaga, pinatatag na kami ng aming mga experiences. Yung mga heartbreaks, yung pain, yung suffering na nangyari sa buhay natin. So, yun. Ngayon kasi mas ready na kaming i-handle itong aming relasyon namin ngayon.
Oo. Hihiligan natin ng oras, panahon,
Importansya.
importansya.
Yes.
Dati parang when we were younger, we don't
Kaya pabarbar
prioritize
lang.
yung namin, yung aming bonding, and yung kung ano man yung meron kami before, parang wala lang. It's built on drinking.
Drinking yan.
Kasi we were
Happy lang.
So ngayon, na nag-level up na yung relationship namin, actually, mas matagal yung ligawan namin ngayon.
Yeah.
Kasi nung unang
10 months?
8 months.
Right.
Walang kita-kita, puro gusto mo sa phone. Tapos we
Yeah.
wanted to make sure of our feelings for each other. Ayaw namin na sure kasi syempre,
Yeah.
I'm 50 and you're 49. So that's just 1 year.
Yeah, Han, grabe. Talagang pinakita mo sa akin yung worth mo ngayon talaga. Ayun, takita.
Oo, diba? What's one secret, na masashare mo sa mga viewers natin na feeling mo, kaya tayo minahal ng tao?
Actually, Han, kasi nakita talaga nila na totoo tayo. And kita naman talaga nila na mahal natin isa't isa. And syempre, hindi lahat ng tao nagkakaroon ng 29 years after. Di ba?
Ako,
Parang karamihan nga dyan, di ba, pag matanda na,
Oo,
feeling na wala na pag-asa.
correct.
Yung iba naman, nagiging bitter na lang, kaya nagiging baso.
Oo, yeah. But actually, ako, Han, siguro if there's one thing that I realized also with our relationship, from day one kasi, we showed them everything
Yeah.
without edit, without anything. And then nung naging tayo na, we also shared it.
Yeah.
Hindi natin, kasi for some, may mga relasyon na parang binigitin nila because baka pag inamin, mawala yung spark.
Mawala yung spark,
Kami
mawala yung
hindi.
viewership, ganyan.
Oo, nagpapasalamat kami kasi sobrang dami ng OneCo worldwide na members headed by Ate
Jocelyn Tabora.
Tabora. Yeah, alam niya from San Jose, California. Siya yung legit. If you wanna be part of her growing family all over the world, kung saan man kayo sulok ng mundo, she will give time.
Yeah, OneCo
Worldwide.
worldwide.
You know?
Sa FB po, hanapin nyo lang po yung si Ate Jocelyn Tabora.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Since it's Father's Day ngayon, as we shoot this content, and happy Father's Day.
Thank you, honey.
Yeah. You know, I think I wrote that message for you in Instagram. That
Yeah,
says it
oo nga,
all.
touch naman ako.
Oo, you know.
Yeah. Para tayong single parent.
Yeah, ang pagiging tatay is not, just built on you having a partner when you raise your children. I mean, Armel, Antoine, and then Andreas, they've been under your care with the help of your parents.
My parents,
Benitoy,
yes.
happy
Yeah.
Father's Day po, and Tita Milo. So, you are blessed to be
Yeah,
surrounded
yeah.
with people who cares genuinely for your kids, right?
Oo.
Oo.
Talaga naman, talagang kung di dahil sa parents ko, baka hindi ko rin kayanin. So I'm very, very thankful to my dad and to my mom for helping me.
Yeah.
Diba?
At syempre tatlo yan, di ba, na anak mo.
Yeah.
Si Armel is your oldest.
Oldest.
Si
Antoine is my second.
And then
Andreas,
Andres, yeah, di ba? How has fatherhood changed you?
Siyempre, mas nag-mature ako, ha? Tapos, mas alam ko na yung responsibilities ko ngayon. Mas nag-iingat na rin ako. Not unlike before, I was
Careless.
careless. I was a daredevil. Wala akong pakialam noon.
Hey,
Karera ako ng karera,
Yeah.
jet ski,
Oo.
karting, lahat, motor, tapos diving,
Oo.
di ba? Yung mga
Technical
talagang,
diving.
yeah, yung mga talagang nakakatakot yung mga ginagawa. Pero nagkaroon ako na
Oo.
natakot akong gawin. Kasi
Oo.
alam ko may mga umaasan sa akin.
Syempre dun sa mga nanonood sa atin na syempre akala nila pag artista ka na single dad ka, madali lang because everything's pampered. What are your struggles being a single dad?
Siyempre, kailangan maging ko yun yung mommy at daddy at the same
Oo.
time. So, kailangan maging straight at the same time. Kailangan ko rin maging mabait, maging parang barkada, di ba? Ganun. So, yun.
But of course, we do not discount the effort of your ex-wife also.
Of course, so kahit
It's a
ano paano yan,
co-parenting.
co-parenting.
Oo.
Yun.
Diba?
Yeah.
Kasi baka sabihin naman nila, you already, hindi.
Yan.
Oo. Ito, question ko. Nung naging tayo, syempre, hindi pa nagreklamo yung mga anak mo na, Dad, your attention will be divided into Tita Aiko, gano'n.
Honestly, actually, nagulat ako sa mga anak ko. No? Sobrang mature nila.
Ay, talaga.
Yeah.
How did
Tanggap
they
nila,
accept
basta happy raw ako, okay sa kanila. Kasi, you know that, and then likes
it?
you.
Yeah,
diba?
Armel and I
Sobrang
are
position
textmates.
niya. Yeah,
Oo.
diba? So,
She's so
yun,
funny.
sobrang nagulat na ako at her young age.
Yeah.
Sobrang mature mag-isip ni Arnel. Sabi lang niya, Paps, you only live once.
Oo.
Diba? You might as well be happy. So, and if it's Tita Aiko that makes you happy, then that's good.
Yeah. And she's very kalog. She never runs out of kwentos. And then, when I had a heart-to-heart talk with Armel, because syempre bata pa yung two kids niya, so I cannot have a serious conversation with them. But with Armel, I've seen in her how she cares for you,
Yeah.
genuinely, and how much she loves you. And she only wants the best for you.
Yeah nga, yun nga. Kaya nga talagang mamisan na, talagang I feel so blessed na nagkaroon ako ng Arnel sa buwan.
Oh, no?
Yeah.
Who looks like you? She's like a mini-me.
Yeah.
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 And then, going, doon naman tayo, di ba? Being a father, and then jump tayo sa relationship natin,
Yeah.
di ba? Siyempre, pareho na tayong of age and all. Ano yung nakita mong pressures natin sa relationship natin? Parang wala nyo.
Ako wala akong nakikita dahil parang soulmates, parang alam mo yung kahit matagal tayo hindi nagkita, the moment na nag-umpisa tayo mag-usap, parang komportable na.
O, para kami kasi magbakit-barkada.
Yeah.
Siguro yun ang ano natin, yung edge natin sa iba. We
Yeah.
started out as friends. So, alam ko lahat ng tungkol sa kanya. Siya minsan, tinatanong pa rin siya sa akin, nagugulat ako. Pero, you know, it's always good to lay your cards on the
Yeah.
table. To never keep anything from your
Right,
partner,
yeah.
diba? Para at least when he feels that he has doubt or when he has questions in his head, it's my job to erase and delete
Yeah.
those doubts, diba? The constant reassurance to each other is really a big factor.
Yes. It is, syempre, dahil syempre kahit paano, di ba, may mga... Syempre, di mo maalis yung selos, di ba?
Oh yeah, that's part of it.
Part of the relationship. Di ba? So, ganun. Yun lang naman eh. Yun lang naman yung... Yun lang naman yung ano natin eh, di ba?
Paano ako
Constant
magselos?
Ano?
Paano ako magselos?
Ikaw? Bitch.
Paano? Once lang yun di ba? Pero,
Wala. Galit na galit ka. Hindi mo pinapansin. Hindi mo
tahimik, diba?
Tahimik. Talagang yun yung, ano eh, yun yung longest drive natin from Morong Bataan to Manila eh.
Correct. It's like 6 hours.
Yeah, may hagat-hagat pa eh.
Ayoko na yan, ano ka ba? Tapos meron pa kaming unfollowan.
Take ko lang na ganito.
Oh, but you unfollowed me also. Diba?
Yeah, oo. Dahil sabi mo kasi, di ba, pag nahuli mo yung ano,
Oh.
pag nahuli mo ng babae, wala na. So, sabi
Oo.
ko, baka hindi talaga to ang ano ni Lord, di ba? So, yun.
Oh.
Kahit alam ko wala naman ako kasalanan, pero
Oh.
syempre, hindi mo na pinapakinggan yung explanation ko ng time na yun. So, di ba? Pero hindi, di ba?
Oh. But
Si Lord
after
pa rin
that,
talaga.
ano no?
Si Lord pa rin talaga nag-intervene.
Yeah, after that, we became closer.
Interfere mo, intervene.
Intervene.
Intervene, yeah. After that, we became closer, mas less naging combative na siya.
But this is normal. Jealousy is part of the relationship. Basta everything of too much is bad.
Yeah.
So, overly being jealous about your partner is not also good.
Yeah.
Si Wanmi, gusto niyo mo lang paano selos? Magsisend niya ng video. Ano to? Ipapa-explain niya. Although pina-explain niya na sa akin yan, a few months back, papaulitin na naman niya, pag may nakita naman siyang video, tatanungin niya, ano to? Sabi niya, panagpunta kayo sa ganyan, ha? Nasabi ko na sa'yo na-explain, nakakalimutan niya. So, explain ko na naman sa kanya ulit.
Okay.
Constant, assurance here, partner, is really something else.
Yeah. Siyempre tao lang, di ba? Pag mahal mo yung tao na normal na magsaselos kayo, di ba?
Oo.
So, yun.
So, ano yung learnings mo? Siyempre, everyday is, di ba? Learning, everyday is also constant na parang may nalalaman ka about your partner. Ano yung mga nadidiscover mo sa akin day-to-day basis?
Alam mo, ang natutunan ko lang talaga is to always be patient. Diba? And yung mga petty things, palagpasin mo na lang yun. And gaya nga na sinabi na uncle ko sa akin, si uncle mo.
Oo, siya ka ba?
Diba? Kung saan masaya yung partner mo, bigay mo na lang. Diba?
Yeah.
Kasi tinanong ko siya dati nasa States. Sabi, Uncle Bob, nung tagal niyo na ni Tita Florence, what's your secret? Sabi niya, just make her happy all the time. So, sabi ko, kung maging pamilya ko, sige, gagawin ko yan tip-tip.
Oo.
Kaya nga, diba, pag tinatanong ako, ikaw, kung anong gusto mo? Ikaw, kung saan ka happy? Ikaw,
Yeah.
and once mo, to the point of siya na, i-nainis ka mo.
Oo.
Kasi hindi ako dating ganun.
Oo.
Masyado ako ma-pride, selfish, makasarili, kung ano yung gusto ko, yun dapat.
Oo.
Diba? Pinalitan ko yun.
So, ano nga discover mo sa akin? Ano na-discover mo each day? Siyempre, each day, may discovery ka sa partner mo, diba? Ano yun?
That you're a loving person,
Oo.
sweet ka, napakabait mo, huwag ka nang gagalit.
Yeah.
Bakit ka nga ba naging combativan?
Siguro kasi pinagtibay ako ng panahon. So, sobrang dami ka pinagdaanan sa buhay ko, which you all know. Pinagtibay ako ng panahon. Siguro, minsan nagiging patotoo ako. But, you know, in my line of work also, which is public service, they see na public service all just about helping.
Yeah.
But hindi nila alam sa likod, ang daming siraan dyan. Which I always tell them, Han, I feel bad. Kasi hindi ko talaga ugali gumante. Pag sinisiraan ako ng mga kasamahan ko, yung mga nakapaligid sa akin, hindi talaga ko ugali ang gumante at gumawa ng black propaganda.
Oo nga.
So, diba? Napansin mo yun? You know, babasahin ko lang siya, I get sad para I give myself mga 5 minutes and then I just say, why kaya ganito yung mga tao? Wala naman akong ginagawang masama. And yet, ang pambalik din sa akin is masama. But I always believe na kapag ka,
You can never put a good person down, Han. Yun lang yun.
yeah.
Yun lang yun.
I believe so too. And siguro pagdasal mo na lang sila na baka hindi man madali na magbago ang mga tao sa ugaling ganun. Pero pagdasal mo na lang sila, di ba?
Kaya, ganun na nga lang. Bisal na lang. Wala naman tayo magagawa kundi ang pangbalik na lang natin sa kanila is prayer.
Ito na lang, let's go to trivia naman.
Okay.
What's one thing na hindi alam ng mga tao sa akin tapos mamaya ako sa'yo?
Oh, sige. Ano ba ang hindi nila?
Yung mga yung mannerisms ko, na hindi nila alam. Anong ginagawa ko, na ngayon ko lang napakita sa'yo.
Ano si Ani? Kaya ako siya gusto. Kasi para siyang para siyang lalaki kumilos. Anything goes. Diba?
Boyish.
Boyish siya yun. Tama. Boyish. Right word. Yan. And kahit saan, pwede kami. Kahit sa tabi-tabi, pwede kang kumain. Ganun. Yun lang. Yun ang gusto ko eh.
No?
Oh.
Ako kay One Meg, ang pinakagusto kong trait ng ugali niya. Pag nalalaman niya meron ako nararamdaman, kunyari, may kahit little na sakit, nag-worry siya agad. Tapos minamasahin niya ako, mga little things, gano'n. And he really worries about my health. So, if you can see dun kay Sir Ed Kaluwag, 'di ba? Nung may hinula siya sa akin, nagdasal talaga kami. And you know, ang pinakagusto ko dun sa relationship natin, kasi ito lang ang relationship na nagkaroon ako, na we start with a prayer and we end it with a prayer.
Yeah, tama. Oo. Actually, hindi ba lagi mo sinasabi, ito yung pinakakalmado mong relationship.
Sobra.
Ako rin. Yung walang kumbaga, kung may konting gusot, mabilis maayos.
Sa
Walang
tao na
pride, wala nang wala nang tiisan, ganyan, di ba? Kasi syempre, parang matanda na tayo para sa ganun, di ba?
Yeah.
Hindi mo nga alam kung hanggang kailan ka na lang mabubuhay.
Right.
Di ba? So might as well
Live for today.
live for today and di ba? Every minute, every second counts. Sayang lang kung magiging malungkot ka, magiging asar ka, di ba? So, tapos na tayo sa ganun eh. Kumbaga, tapos na tayo sa mga ganong relasyon. Diba? Yung mga toxic relationships.
Oo.
I think we're ready done.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
And I am certain in saying that God orchestrated everything.
Yeah.
Because, it's very rare for somebody like us in this day and age that we will find each other back again. But as they say nga, soulmates daw will always find a way, diba, back.
Oh,
So,
to get back to each other.
Oo, diba?
Tayo, naka-apat tayo.
Apat na rounds. Kaya pang-apat na namin.
Apat ba, lima? Kung bibilangin pa yung mga bata pa tayo sa abal.
Mga 5 rounds. Kasi ang dami namin connections lagi. Tapos sa mga tao, biglang, gano'n, ang dami natin connect. Na nagugulat kami each day, we discover na, ito ba, nandun pa? Ba't hindi kita nakita? Lagi kami dati at that time, may mga events na, andun pala siya, andun lang ako sa kabila.
Yeah.
Tapos meron mga events na magkapit-bahay pala kami, hindi rin kami nakikita.
Yeah.
So probably because God, this is the right time.
Yeah, it's preparing us.
Yeah. Diba? Kung meron kang kanta para sa love story natin, ano?
Palag.
Palagi. Yeah.
Kaya by TJ Monterde.
Yeah, he'd always play that.
Yeah.
Oo.
Yun ang guide namin. Kaya nga, kung anong best ko na sabihin to, maraming salamat kay TJ Monterde. Dahil dyan sa kanta mo yan, maraming couples ang na-inspire at isa na kami din.
Yeah. And nakikita nila travel tayo ng travel. Actually, nag-travel kami when I'm off for work. Ngayon, recess kami sa council. I just have to read this because some people might not know. I always just travel when we're on break. And then, you can see naman in my QC page that, modesty aside, ako po ang isa po sa, wala naman tayong masasabi. Pag nagtrabaho po ako, trabaho. Dire-diretso. Tapos, binabalanse ko ang lahat. If I was able to balance my life being a single mom and still have that time with my children, Martina and Andre, as I've said that also in my interview with Liz Karen Davila, which is, thank you, because it's already parang 1.1 something.
Wow! Congratulations, honey!
In 7 days, naka 1M,
Lakas,
sana ito rin.
Yeah.
Diba? So, I'm really thankful kasi sabi nga nila, diba, you can't have everything. But
Yeah.
at this point in my life, I think I have everything because I have God in my life, I have Jesus in my life, I have One Meg, I have my children. And I also have my mom and my siblings, si Angelo, si Michimo, and Ento with me.
Yeah.
And I think nothing can replace those beautiful people in my life. So, ako kahan, kung meron ako message sa'yo, ito message sa'yo.
Baka mayak ako, ano? Pero hindi mo.
Sige, balik mo na.
Hawakan mo na yung camera.
Ako, may message ako. Una-una, thank you for coming back into my life. And because you bring extra color to my, well, already colorful life.
Yes.
But you bring balance in my life. In those crazy world, in those noisy world that I am in, you are my quiet place.
Thank you also for accepting me.
Oo.
Active.
Yeah, and even though our relationship is not perfect, and wala namang perfect na relationship, it seems like, you know, you make things easier for me.
Yeah.
And
Yun ang
thank
talaga
you
dapat, diba?
also, Han, kasi pagka meron ako sa politics na, sa public service na pinagdadaanan, even though hindi mo naman talaga mundo to, pinipilit mo alamin at
Yeah.
aralin yung mundo to.
Yes.
So kung ano man ang pagdedesisyonan ko, ang malaking factor yon kasi pinag-uusapan namin lagi, and you know, his word of wisdom and advice
Yeah.
in public service, he may not be part of it, but now he's becoming a part of it because yung decision making ko, malaking parte dun si Juan.
Kasi dito sa relationship namin, no competition.
Yes! You said it right.
Ano lang kami, we support each other. Diba? Ang message ko sa iyo, Han, I will always be here by your side. I will never leave you. Dito sa kas masaya, basta nasa tama tayo, susuportahan kita. And I won't ever compete. Diba? Nandito na ako para suportahan. At pag nagawa mo yung dreams mo, ako yung pinakamasayang tao sa buong mundo. Dahil alam kong natagpuan mo na yung dream.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ba't parang asim na mukha mo?
Ah,
Parang
kasi
di yata
yung
maganda
araw,
sinabi ko.
yung araw. Yung araw kasi tsaka may bumblebee na sumusugit sa atin.
Okay, ako na yung bumblebee nga. Ibig sabihin, matamis tayong dalawa.
Oo nga.
Kaya nandito
Always
sa atin.
naman.
Diba?
And alam mo, Ann, ang maganda sa relationship natin, give and take tayo.
Of course.
And
give and
even
take,
in the
yeah.
simplest things, we say thank you. When like
Yeah.
kunyari, he gets me water. Thank you, hon. And then I get him something, like I get him breakfast. Thank you, hon.
Yeah.
We always appreciate and we always
Small
thank each other,
things.
even in the smallest thing.
Yeah.
Mahalaga yon sa isang relationship. That you acknowledge kung ano yung magagandang nagagawa sa inyong partner. So,
Ang
I
tawag
think
doon is respect. At
Oo.
saka always being grateful. Diba?
Yeah.
Kahit maliit man yan o malaki, diba? Kailangan suklian mo. Diba? Para naman yung nakakatanggap,
Hindi rin naman nauubos.
hindi nauubos.
Kasi mahirap yun.
Mahirap maubos eh.
Oo.
Diba? Pag tanggap ko naman tanggap.
Oo. Malaking factor ang pagpili ng tamang tao sa'yo. Is that what you're gonna say?
And iwasan nyo yung mga may narcissistic personality disorder. Guys, di man na alam ng lahat to, pero it's a very serious,
Yeah.
ano ba tawag yan? Serious
Effect.
effect.
Oo.
Sa pagkatao
It affects your personality. It
Yeah,
affects your
lahat.
well-being.
So yun guys,
And
yung
there's
mga
also a trauma bond.
trauma bond, yes. Kaya guys, kung feeling nyo yung partner nyo may NPD, umalis na kayo kagad. Kasi kayo lang masisira. Kung hinihintay nyo magbabago, hindi na siya magbabago. Ayan.
It will only get worse happen
Yeah, it will only get
as
worse
time
as time goes by. Doon sa mga bashers,
Oh my gosh.
ito na naman ang another episode para magkaroon ulit kayo ng trabaho. So pasalamatan nyo kami, at the same time, pasasalamatan din namin kayo. Dahil may mga comments na naman. So guys, nalulungkot na ako. Ito lang yung buyog to.
Kaya nga, ito pa yata ang katapusan natin.
Wala pa kayong 3 million comments. Honey, ikaw, this is your
Yeah.
YouTube
So
channel.
guys, thank you for supporting not just me but Juan Mig as well. And thank you for welcoming him in the YouTube world. As early as 5 months, he's already got that much of a subscribers. Although we're asking for more,
More,
because
yes.
we just wanted to make him feel the silver plate.
Yeah.
Pero maraming salamat for the love and support that you give us. Juan ko. Actually, kahit pumupunta nga ako saan si Juan Mig. Pagka, I mean, pag wala yung isa, hinahanap yung isa na sa isa't isa sa amin. So I guess, magandang epekto na nabibigay namin sa inyo, magandang ligaya na nabibigay namin sa inyo. For as long as we can share the beautiful and not so beautiful things that the people can learn about from this relationship, we will share it as much. Because kami, nakilala naman ng Juan ko from day one that we never edited anything, we never extended the relationship. Kahit kami na talaga, inamin namin na that, hindi just for the views or anything. Because we want it to be real and we want the people to be inspired by our story.
Oo. Tsaka, di ba, may mga basher pa nagsasabi na ginagamit daw kita.
Oh no, that's not true. Alam nyo, in defense of Juan, he doesn't want to go back to showbiz anymore. I was the only one who convinced him to try the YouTube world. Why? Because I just wanted his confidence to be back because it was once lost because of the trauma bonds that this business has left on him. But I think this YouTube made him more kalog. I mean, hindi alam ng mga fans mo na kalog ka. Sa TikTok ko, napapasayo ko na siya. Hindi alam ng fans that he can host. So there's just so many talents of you that has been unlocked because of YouTube.
Yeah. The things that you can do for love.
Not only for
And
love,
thank you. At
because
least,
of you.
napalabas mo yan.
Diba?
Yeah.
Because diba, parang they can see the other side of Juan. Because they always feel na you're suplado. But when you come to know Juan, he's not suplado.
Yeah.
I tried and tested that when he came down to my barangay. He made my lots of my constituents so happy. Whenever we go around, hindi siya yung konyo boy na alam nyo na parang hirap lapitan, mayaman, anak ko lang alam si hirap, no. When you come to talk to him, when you get to know the real Juan Nick, you will love him more.
Yeah, guys. So yan
So
alam mo na, hindi ako manggagamit.
Oo.
Pero minsan mas okay manggamit, huwag lang magnakaw.
Anyways, guys, like and share. And then, papakita pa namin, mahaba na itong video na ito, si Juan Mig nagpapakita sa mga tour sites namin.
Yeah.
Kasi ito yung a day in the life namin. Lagi kami kukwentuhan. And then, next step namin, papakita namin on the way dun sa mga areas. Pero, please, panoorin niyo naman yung vlog ni Honey ko every Friday, 7 p.m.
Yes.
If you want to take a sneak peek of how beautiful Philippines is, go to his channel because he does his food reviews, he does yung mga lugar where you can go sa sariling bayan natin.
Yeah. So, honey, thank you. Pangilang guesting ka sa
Fourth.
Thank
And
you,
more
honey.
to come.
Thank you for guesting me for the fourth time. Talagang isang malaking karanganan sa ako na mag-guest dito sa iyong YouTube channel.
Wow! Han, I just want to congratulate you because meron siyang award na kukuhanin. One of the best content creator of 20... I already sent you.
Oo nga, tama.
2026. Yay! Awardan
Ito,
siya.
hindi naman luto yan.
Yeah. Paano mo lulutuin yun? Nakakatawa. Probably because, di ba, yung mga unexpected na ginagawa mo sa
bagay,
so,
tama lang.
magpasalamat tayo for every award or recognition. It says that, it's a full, testimony or testament of how good you are slowly progressing.
Yes. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta ng aming mga channels. And sana wag kayong magsawang sumuporta. And yung mga bashers, sana maging supporters sa kayo. Tigil nyo na yung bitterness dahil lahat tayo mahal ng Diyos. And lahat tayo may nakalaan na tao para sa atin.
Yeah.
Maghintay lang tayo.
Spread love and positivity. Stop bashing me na ganyan, puro ganyan, hindi kami magtatagal. Because sorry to disappoint you guys. We're here to stay.
Ikaw ang endgame ko.
Yeah. Guys, check out our Sock Meds. And of course, Endgame is now on Spotify, YouTube Music. And sa IG Music, you can use it as your own music. And if you're kind enough, if you're using the Endgame, please put hashtag Endgame.
And the mother sacrifice po.
Oh yes, it's now showing. Thank you, honey, for always reminding me. A Mother Sacrifice, my only project with my son, Andre Indiana, Andrea Del Rosario, and of course, si Jujit Lorenzo. Sana panoorin nyo. This is directed by Joy Aquino.
Saan mapapanood to?
Download the app, Viva Movie Box app. For only 169 pesos a month, you can download all the episodes.
Yeah.
Currently sa amin yung Mother Sacrifice is 59 episodes ng Iyakan. So watch out for it. God
So sa
bless
lahat
you
ng mga
all.
tatay, belated Happy Father's Day.
Yeah. God bless you all
Thank
and
you.
spread the love
Bye-bye.
and positivity. Thank
Bye,
you.
we love you. Bye.